The natural flavors of the sea to shine. The simplicity mirrors the purity of our waters and the authenticity of our culinary tradition, making seafood the vital pillar of our food tourism. Beyond nourishment, the seafood showcase of Sigante stands as a testament to the hard work of Rwanda's fishermen and the community's commitment to sustainability. Okay, and of course, Bando Buruanga! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! And of course, the Sigante, we celebrate the heritage, the abundant and fresh bounty of the sea, and the timeless tradition of Banagat, honoring the past, sustaining the present, and safeguarding the future of our coastal culture. Again, Buruanga! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño!
Surprising for one na pinapamanahan ni Honorable Mayor Alan Dagohoy and Honorable Femi Dongmagin na dumain ng Designated Municipal Tourism Officer Sir Clark Pranuelas. Kaya ginahingan natin, gina-invite natin from aton nga Honorable Mayor Alan and Honorable Vice Mayor Femi na magsaka iya sa stage. Ayan. Partner na kita naman may anda na candidate, one of the candidates during the Miss Gay Calibo National Week.
Ang ganda niya!
Hello!
Hello! Surprising Buruanga ito.
Yes, alright.
Maraming magaganda sa Buruanga.
May ako ng flying kiss ka na natandaan ko yung mga hosted sa event. Once again, surprising Buruanga! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño!
Viva!
Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño!
Viva!
Surprising Buruanga!
Of course, we would like to request the Mayor and Vice Mayor of Buruanga to please join us here on stage.
Honorable Mayor Alan and Honorable Vice Mayor Femi.
Yan, Buruanga! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! Yes, so pinakamalayo, mabango, pero energetic niya po nakamakara.
Yes.
Very good with that.
Yes, partner Kuya Josh. And rung ato na lang na LGU Buruanga ay pangwagong entry naton sa Royal Higante Contest. Butang baon ni ang pagdaywang na abangan. Yes, sa atong Higante nga
Ay,
lang.
wala maka-entry. Buruanga to. Thank you, Buruanga! Thank you!
Thank you so much. Thank you for joining the Miss Gay Calibo Festival Queen. Happy for you. Ang saya na niya.
Ang ganda niya, partner.
Yes. She's proud to represent Surprising Buruanga.
Si Sangre, siguro dahil ano yung the character is giving Sangre.
Yes, one of the sangres of Ingkandang siya.
Si Tena, si Tena. Nakandaan ko si Tena. Okay. Sige pa ba?
Makaroon kaya approaching ang aton nga Banuang Malay partner. Yes, one of the participating LGU contingents from aton nga LGU Malay. Ay kinapaunahan ni Honorable Mayor Bolivar Bautista and Honorable Vice Mayor Inyo Carlos Cawaling at from anda nga Chief Tourism Operations Officer Sir Felix De Los Santos Jr. Bumpalay! LGU Malay! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño!
Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño!
Wow! Bumpalay! Bumpa! Bumpalay!
Sabi ko, ang Boracay ay hindi mo na-order.
Partner na ako, Mayor Proud Santa, yes! Malay! Going to Boracay!
Alam ko doon yan, treasure ba, partner?
Yes, treasure din ako ng Boracay sa Banwagin sa Malay.
Yan, Malay! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! Viva kay Senyor Santo Niño! Bumpa Malay!
Ina-request natin si Honorable Mayor Bolivar and Honorable Vice Mayor Nino na magsaka din sa stage. Ayan.
partner.